Hey friend, welcome back. Today I have a builder nail gel kit from Modelones that I wanted to review and show you guys how to use it. And this kit is actually really amazing to me because of the different colors of the builder gel. I've never seen that before. I've only seen like clear builder gel, so this is really different to me. So I'm going to show you all the colors and then I'm going to show you what they look like swatched. Then I'm going to do a quick little demo on how to use the builder gel. So you can use this builder gel in multiple different ways. This is actually a 7-in-1 builder gel, so it's good for nail enhancements, apex building. You can use this as an extension gel. You can use this gel to like make a shape of the nail on your nail. It's good for fixing cracks in your nails. You can use this as a base coat, a rhinestone gel, a nail glue gel. And it's also one of the best sellers on Amazon, which is really cool. So this is what they look like all swatched with the numbers. And today I'm going to be using the pinkest one, the light pink one that I have on my nails right now. So I didn't actually have any nail forms, so I just put some tips on the end. I glued some tips on to extend this gel out. And first you're going to want to do nail prep. Once you've done a detailed prep on your nails, then you can apply your nail forms and then your dehydrant and your nail primer. Then you're going to go in with a thin layer of base coat, cure that for 30 to 60 seconds. After I apply the base coat, then I'm going to go in with a thin layer of builder gel, and I'm going to do that on both nails and then cure it for 30 to 60 seconds. Make sure when you're applying the first layers of your base gel and your builder gel, you keep it super thin because you're going to be building up that apex after you cure on these two layers. So once you've actually built up your apex, which you'll see me doing here, you're going to want to cure it for 30 to 60 seconds. When dragging this gel, I go from the middle to the sides, right? And then I'll take my liner brush and just go around the cuticle area and take any excess gel that's been flooded in there or is too close to the cuticle area and just wipe it away. I'll drag it down the nail and then I'll go around the nail. Flip it upside down to make sure that is self-leveled and my apex is where I want it to be. This builder gel is literally amazing to work with. It works with you. You know what I'm saying? So once you're happy with your nail, cure it, wipe it off, shape it, and then you're ready for your top coat and you're done. So that's basically it, you guys. It's super easy. I think it's so fun and I love the different colors that it comes with. So whether you're extending your nails or doing these on your natural nails, I think you'll have a lot of fun with these variety of colors. Speaking from experience, using like builder gel out of a container compared to in a bottle, this was so much more fun and easier, and I had more control over it, I felt like. But yeah, love it. Shout out to Modelones for sending me these products, and shout out to all my beautiful, amazing supporters and subscribers. And until next time, be kind to everyone, including yourselves, and I'll see you in the next one.